Hey everyone, we're back for another Tip Tuesday. So today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and chop kale. So this kale is nice, black Tuscan kale or dino kale. This is really nice. The stems aren't super fibrous and tough, so you can eat most of this stem. Some of the other kales like green curly kale, the stem's a little bit tougher. You can still eat it, you just have to prepare it a little bit differently. So for these, it's really simple. If you grasp it by the bottom of the stem, you can just take your fingers and just peel it, and you're left with just the harder, woodier stalk. So you can do that. And that one, obviously. Some of the harder ones, you'll get more of the stalk. If it's soft, it'll just break off. So you can still use these kind of like how you would with any other like broccoli stem. If you just slice it really thin on a bias, you can mix that in with your salads or with your kale and it'll cook down the same. Adds a little bit of texture to it. It is a little more bitter than the rest of the plant, so if you don't like that, you can just discard that, put it in your compost, feed it to the rabbits. So then you can take this kale, bunch it all up. Once you have a nice little pile there, I just slice it right down there, and then you can just go through and chop it up. Left with nice kale. You can also just do that with your hands. Just zip it down, and then you can just break it. You can do this with collard greens, any other type of kale. It's pretty much all going to be the same. Just zip it off the stalk with your fingers. That's the quickest and most efficient way to do that. Just break it up, and you're ready to cook it. You can also, if you're eating it fresh in salads, just chop it a little finer, and it'll be great. So the same way, just cut that in the middle so you're left with ribbons. Then you're just going to chop it super fine. With basil, this would be called a chiffonade, or just little ribbons, so you're left with these nice small ribbons that are super delicate and would be delicious if just eating it in a salad raw. So that's how to break down greens or kale, anything else. Hope that tip helped you. Enjoy the day.